Okay, dann mache ich das halt nicht. Montage. Keine Ahnung, was das soll. Nein. Ich hasse China Lake. Nein! Beweg dich doch nicht, Mann. Hey, etwas Schlimmeres kann es im Leben nicht geben. Ich hasse China Lake. Wirde. Jawohl. Da ist noch ein Panzer. 2 Panzer. Wo ist er? Ah. Ja, es wird auch ein bisschen lootet. Mir kann man auch noch nicht mehr. Lass mich raus. So. Der Bauen oder der Bus. Ich weiß nicht, wie der heisst. Bowman, genau. CIA. Best friends forever.
Protection team had gone dark. I couldn't accept that he was dead. I needed that fucking dossier!
City. That's when things really started to unravel for you, Mason.
The defector.
MACV compound in sight. You are jumping into some deep shit, Woods.
We're here to yank a defector with vital intel on Soviet involvement in Nam. We lost contact with his security team. He may be holed up in the MACV safe room.
He's alive. Well fine. Talk X-ray team. Hook up.
Lima 9. Oh. Oh. Jetzt kommt mit Spaß.
Fast 12, hold your incendiaries. Where we heading, Mason?
Lima 9er, I got eyes on X-Way. You got NVA all over the north wing, Wood.
Light 'em up, Bowman!
X-Way, we're clear.
Come on, move up!
Was haben wir als zweite Waffe? Kommando.
Out of the way, go! Bowman, northeast corner!
On the way.
Kann man sich selber töten? Ja. Es geht ja im Battlefield. Ah doch. Ich glaube eben leider schon.
The whole damn building's overrun! Dispatch, next floor down! He did. And he's one tough son of a bitch. Get down!
So muss man das im Krieg machen. Auf einem zuspringen. Nein, was? So realistisch.
What is that, Lima 9er? Moving on!
Safe room, just ahead.
Molotov, at the window!
Safe room is down there. Target down.
Komm, 2 Schuss.
Target down! Take cover!
Safe room's been breached.
Aha. Ah.
So where's your contact?
You might have fallen back to the command room. You may still be
Versteckt sie doch
alive.
nicht.
Let's move. On me.
Also X. Wow. Übelster Skill.
The safe room's on the other side of the war room.
Hä? Von hinten?
Let's move. On me.
The safe room's on the other side of the war room.
Ah, von hier.
Target down.
Target eliminated!
Contact down.
Jetzt viel schöne Waffen. So. Ja, ich nehme. In dem kannst du nicht verstecken.
Clear. Lima 9er, sit rep, over.
X-ray, the NVA have retaken the MAC-B south. You are cut off.
Shit. Roger that, Lima 9er.
You better get your asses in gear if you want an evac.
Let's go.
Jetzt werde ich aber mal FN voll
You should be in one of these rooms.
probieren.
Mason, take the door at the far end of the hallway. Boom it, on me.
Ah. Jetzt habe ich mich verschreckt. Stell dir vor, ich und Dead Space 2.
How'd you get out of Okuda? Never thought I'd see you alive.
Not are you, my friend.
Aha. Punkt.
I am here with a warning. Your government...
Ich habe mich wegen einem Fernseher versteckt. In Dead Space 2.
Dragovich, He's planning an attack on the west.
Dragovich, I knew we'd see him again.
Dragovich.
His influence
Nee,
spreads
rational.
like a cancer. Even
Los.
the Kremlin does not know what he is truly planning. He must be stopped, Mason.
Hey,
Russia
seemt u laat af, oké. Het hebt ze net instant weer Oeps.
What is your man?
Woods, Bowman.
I am
What
resting.
is your man?
What took you so long, Mason? That intel better be worth it. Lima Niner, where the hell's our pickup?
X-ray, be advised. Marine forces are engaged in heavy fighting west of the Mac Bay. Push through to Rally Point Delta, 2 clicks north of the river.
We'll make it. You just be there. We're gonna need some close air support for this shit.
Bottom thread.
Don't you just